In this tutorial I will show you how to make transparent effect in Photoshop. I have this image as background. Download link in description. Go to filter menu. Blur. Gaussian blur. This amount is good for this image. Click OK. Go to file menu. Choose place embedded. Select your image. Click on place. From Windows, activate Properties. Click on Convert to Layer. Now click on Remove Background. Right-click on Layer Mask. Choose Apply Layer Mask. Adjust image size accordingly. Duplicate image. Go to Image menu. Adjustments. Desaturate. Change blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl L to open Levels Adjustments layer. Follow the process. Add a layer mask. Choose brush. And follow the process. Hold Alt and drag the layer mask to copy. And press Ctrl I to invert. Go to File menu. Choose Place Embedded. Double-click on image to add. Click on Convert to Layer. Then click on Remove Background. Right-click on Layer Mask. Choose Apply Layer Mask. Adjust image size accordingly. Select Layer Mask of the top layer. Choose Brush. Make sure foreground color is white. And follow the process. That's it. If there is any question you can ask in comments section.